Welcome. Today we are practicing the Take an Interview task, a vital part of the TOEFL speaking section. In this exercise, you must respond to an interviewer's questions immediately without any preparation time. So focus on thinking quickly and providing detailed, fluent responses to demonstrate your conversational proficiency. If you're finding these strategies helpful for your prep, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert lessons. Let's keep practicing together to ensure you're ready for exam day. Campus Planetarium. This task is set at the Campus Planetarium, a specialized academic setting. You should mentally prepare to hear vocabulary related to science or public events, such as astronomy or exhibit. A staff member provides instructions to students visiting the University Planetarium. Since a staff member is speaking, the tone will be instructional and professional. Listen for clear, imperative sentences designed to guide a group of students through the facility. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. Please wait in the hall before the show starts. To remember this sentence, split it into the action and the time frame, wait in the hall followed by before the show starts. Focus on the crisp T sound at the end of wait and starts to maintain high-level clarity. You should look out for the glowing stars on the ceiling. Visualize the glowing stars to anchor the subject in your short-term memory before adding the location on the ceiling. Be sure to use a smooth rising intonation on the word stars to sound natural. The stargazing session will begin at the observatory at 8:45 tonight. The sentence contains a specific time, 8:45 tonight, which requires strong vocal stress to ensure accuracy. Group the event stargazing session as one single unit of information to make it easier to repeat. The planetarium is located behind the physics building. Focus on the prepositional phrase behind the physics building to visualize the layout. Pronounce the ATFN physics as a sharp F sound and ensure the set at the end of the word is clearly audible. Please do not use flash photography inside the dark theater. This is a prohibition, so place a firm stress on do not and the compound noun flash photography. Make sure to transition smoothly between the words dark theater without pausing unnaturally. If you need more information, please visit the desk near the exit. If you was, debate. Memory is aided here by the conditional if structure. Link the need for more information with the action to visit the desk. Be careful with the cluster near the exit, ensuring the T in exit is fully pronounced. All mobile phones must be turned off during the presentation. Focus on the passive verb phrase turned off as the core instruction of the sentence. Maintain a steady rhythm when saying during the presentation, and pay close attention to the shun sound at the end of presentation. To succeed in the listen and repeat task, prioritize natural rhythm and intonation over worrying about every single syllable. If you stumble, simply recover quickly and continue with a confident tone. Consistent practice with these chunking strategies will help you maintain fluency during the actual TOEFL exam.